Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning to all of you.
Good
Switch off your
morning, ma'am.
microphone now. Everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, a very good morning to all of you. Now, my request is to switch off their microphones and no messages in the chat box. Thank you, children. Now, as you know that we have already started our chapter, The Junk Sailor, in which we were learning from last 2 days, we were learning about what is loan and what is interest on loan. So yesterday we have done this, find the amount when the principal is given, the amount borrowed is given and the interest is given. So what is the amount to be paid back after the few months to the bank or the money lender from which we have taken the loan? So here yesterday we have done this question. Those who have not done, they please start writing in their notebooks. Now today's our next topic is find the principal. When you have amount, means what you have to pay back to the bank, included interest in this. So the interest is rupees 200, which is already included in this amount. Amount is the total of principal plus interest.
Ma'am, sorry to disturb you, but Farzan is on the screen and making lot of trouble.
Farzan.
And everyone is seeing him. Yes, ma'am, now you can continue.
Ma'am, did you got my worksheet
Yes.
all?
I will talk it later now. So the amount is rupees 3,500. Interest is rupees 200, in which in this amount already the interest is included. But we need to find out what is the principal amount, what is the borrowed amount. So we can write in place of principal, we can use the short form of P and amount, short form A. Just a minute. So in place of principal, we write P. Switch off your microphone, please. Let me complete my topic. In place of principal, you write P. We can write the short form. In place of amount, we write A. In place of interest, we write I. We can use the short form of these terms. So the principal, I told you yesterday also, whatever we are finding, we write that before the equals to sign.
Ma'am, the video is off.
It's okay, ma'am, will come. Be patient.
Ma'am, your camera is off.
Whose camera is off? Lakshay,
Yes.
wait.
So I told you yesterday also, when we find anything, we write that before the equals to. So please stop messaging in the chat box regarding good morning. We already wish to everyone. So here the amount is 3,500. Subtract 200, which is the interest. After subtracting the interest from amount, we get the principal amount, the borrowed amount from the bank. So these two questions, please start writing in your notebooks. Ma'am, please check whether they are writing or not.
Ma'am,
Yes,
Dhyan
ma'am.
Bala is speaking.
Yes, my dear, tell me.
Ma'am, I have done the first question, so I can write with.
Yes, from the same page, if you have a space, you start writing from same page, second question.
Okay.
Those who have completed yesterday only the first one, they will only do the second today. Those who have not completed, please switch off your microphone.
Ma'am, I have done. Ma'am,
Yes, my dear, tell me the name. Tell me your name first.
Ma'am,
Yes, now there are two children together. So I will only answer one child at a time.
Ma'am, Samriddhi.
Yes, Samriddhi, tell me.
Ma'am, I was asking that in. Ma'am, I cannot.
Yes, Samriddhi, tell me. I cannot hear you.
Ma'am, I am telling that in question set 2, find the principal amount is 3,500 and interest is 200.
Yes.
Then the short form of interest is I and amount is A. But I can't understand that in 3500
Yes.
minus 200.
Yes.
Ma'am, it will minus.
Ma'am, Kanak ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
except Samriddhi, just check. Is there any other child microphone is on?
Yes, Ayansh and Farzan.
Ma'am, please request them to switch off.
Now they have switched off.
Yes, Samriddhi.
Ma'am, I was
Samriddhi, you have done till here. The amount is 3,500.
yeah, ma'am.
In this amount, as I told you, in amount, the principal, the borrowed amount, and the interest is included. That is called the amount.
Okay, ma'am.
So when you subtract, now you understood? Samriddhi, now you understood?
Yes, ma'am, but I can't understood that why in yes in principal there will be plus or minus when.
To calculate the principal from amount, we subtract the interest. See, now I will explain you with one more example.
Ma'am, Parnika is having doubt. She has messaged in the
Yeah,
chat box.
after clearing with the Samriddhi, I'll explain her.
Yes, Rudra. Ma'am will ask. Rudra. Wait.
Ma'am, I want to ask one small question. And we can
See,
write
now
full form.
you can write full form also,
Ma'am,
and you can write short form also.
ma'am,
Rudra, wait for your turn.
Wait for your turn. Let me clear with Samriddhi. If I will clear Samriddhi, I think everyone's doubt will be clear. See, I have some money here, 3,500. The bank told me, I went in bank, I borrowed some loan.
excuse me, ma'am. Lama speaking.
Lamha,
your
switch
mic,
off your mic,
Samriddhi.
please.
Samriddhi,
Ma'am, I
please
can't
switch
see
off
you.
your mic.
You log out and log in again. Kanak ma'am, you can see me.
Yes, ma'am.
Lama, log out and log in again.
I request everyone to switch off your mic. Why should I interrupt in between? Please switch off your mic, Samriddhi. Yes.
Thank you. So here, I went to bank to borrow some amount. Bank told me after some time, after 2 months, after 3 months, after 6 months, you have to return back 3,500. See, you can see here, I have 2,001 note and 3,500 notes. Yes, so bank told me that after 6 months, you will return back to me 3,500. But I am worried how much interest is included in this. So, bank, see, I told bank to give me 3,300. Bank now telling me to return back 3,500. It means 2,200 rupees are included in this 3,500. So when we subtract 200 from this 3,500, so now I can take 300 notes. So now this was my principal amount. 3,000 and 3,300. 300 rupees of 100. This is my principal amount which I borrowed from bank. This is my loan amount which I borrowed. Now when I add 200 in this as an interest, then it will be become 3,500. Clear? Yes. Now next child. Yes, tell me, Prisha, Parnika, switch on your microphone.
Ma'am, In this, you have written PAI. So, what's the meaning of it?
You were not in the beginning?
I was, but I'm not understanding that I have to written PAI. So, why have you given that A minus? Then I.
See, I explained in the beginning everything. If you have attended in the beginning, I think you should know by this time. This PAI is P for principal, is the short form. A is for amount and I is for interest.
Yeah.
Next child, Rudra Master.
Ma'am, continuously Ayush Singhania is saying question, question, question. 5 times
Yes,
he has written.
yes, tell me. Ayush Singhania.
Ma'am.
Only
Ma'am?
one child at a time.
Ma'am, actually, I was discussing with my mother the math,
Yes.
that interest and that. So my mother knows better than me. So I was discussing something as I was also doing the Google form. So my mother taught me that there are two types of interest you can give to bank or a money lender.
Hmm.
First, you can pay like first you give interest, and like the last with principal and the part of the interest you give it.
Yes.
And second interest is that you give 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. So, like mommy said that if you will give the interest like this, that first will you will try that I will give the interest from the 9 which you take from 10 months. You will try to give interest from the 9th and the 10th year. You will give
Yes.
1012 because or you will give 12.
Yes.
Interest will be increased. And just
Yes.
if you give like that, that 10 10 means 20 together. So you will
Yes.
only get 10. You
My
will
dear, that is a very big topic, but for at your level, this is sufficient.
uh,
Ma'am, ma'am,
Yes, my dear.
I think
ma'am, we
Which
have to
child is
write
this?
this. Manrajodia, ma'am, we have to write all this.
Manra Jodia is asking.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
No,
Yes, ma'am.
Manra Jodia, we are not writing. I told in the beginning that start writing. Yes, next child.
Riddhi Goyal, ma'am.
Yes, Riddhi Goyal. Others, please switch off your microphone.
I didn't finish my question.
Ma'am,
Ayush.
just a minute, Ayush. Yes, Riddhi.
Ayush, wait for your turn. Switch off your mic.
Ma'am, I am not finished.
Yes, Riddhi, tell me.
Principal equals to the amount which bank gave. But
Principal is
the principal means what um, what bank money have gave. But what does amount mean?
amount means what you have to return back after adding the interest in that. Amount includes interest plus principal amount.
Okay. Or
Now,
ma'am,
yes,
if we want to find the interest, so we will minus the principal from the amount. So we
minus amount from the principal. Which will be the bigger? Amount will be the bigger or the principal will be the bigger?
amount.
Amount will be the bigger because in amount, interest is included. That is my third topic. That will be my third question. So please start writing the third children, those who have done till 2. Rima Kataria, wait, I will come back to you.
Ma'am, it is interest or interest.
It is?
Interest or interest.
It is interest.
Interest. Okay.
INTEREST. Find the interest now.
Ma'am, your voice.
Okay, Now, third question is find the interest. When you know about amount, that is rupees, if for example 9,800, you know principal, that is rupees 9,000, for example. So in this case, the third case, you need to find out the interest. So now, if we find the interest, we write it before the equals to. So I'll write the short form for amount A minus P, because amount will be greater. In amount, the interest is included. So 9,800 minus 9,000. So what will be the interest, children? Please write in the chat box. Please write in the chat box what will be the interest in this case. Yes, Ayush. Very good. Now, Riva Kataria, switch on your mic and tell me
Yes.
what you were asking.
Ma'am, can you explain one more time because your voice is breaking a lot? I can't hear you.
Lamha, you exit many times, my dear.
Yes, ma'am, because I can't see ma'am, because I can't see when your screen is coming blur. Sometimes you come blank. That's why.
Kanak ma'am, is it like this?
No, ma'am. It is fine.
Lamha, it's your connectivity problem, my dear.
Ma'am, that's why I'm trying again and again.
Ma'am, your board is blur.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes, my dear.
we can write the short form of interest or we have to write full form.
It's up to you. If you understand the short form also, you write short form. If you don't understand short form, you write the full form. So, yes, Riva Kataria, switch on your mic.
Yes, ma'am, I can't hear you, but because there was maybe network issue, I can't hear you. Can you explain one more time?
This is Riva.
Yes, ma'am.
Riva, the third question is find the interest. Interest, when we find and we know about the amount is given a 9,800 means, and the principal is 9,000, means you have borrowed 9,000 and you are returning back 9,800 to the bank after some time. So it means you are adding interest in the principal, that is 9,800 minus 9,000 will be rupees 800.
Okay, ma'am.
Kanak ma'am, my screen is showing blur.
Ma'am, little bit.
Yes, ma'am.
But we can. Yes, see. You just.
Just a
take-
minute, ma'am.
Okay.
After few seconds, the screen is blurred. After few seconds.
Okay, now
Lakshay ma'am is doing now. Please
now it
wait.
is clear.
Switch off your microphones.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
it
still.
is blur.
Please check.
Ma'am, now also blurred.
Ma'am, it is not that much clear, which it used to be like more clearer before, but I don't know.
Now?
But we can able to see everything. Yes,
Children, please.
Perfectly.
ma'am, you can just check some reflection. Might be some coming there.
Ma'am, it's no, ma'am, it is not clear.
Ma'am,
The board is very clear.
from right side.
Children, it is clear to some children, it is not clear to some children. Maybe there is a connectivity problem, my dear.
Ma'am,
Perfect. Ma'am, perfect.
Okay, now start writing, my dear children.
Ma'am,
Yes.
put the board some right side.
Now,
Yes, ma'am.
Switch off your mic, Ayansh.
children, now I am going to erase this. Ma'am, just check they have come.
No, ma'am. 1 minute. Ma'am, return.
Very good.
Ma'am, you can
Showing blur, blur.
I'm waiting. Ma'am, 1 minute. Ma'am, now it is perfect. Ma'am, just wait for
Dhairya, have you completed it? Dhairya, Shah?
Ma'am, I have done.
Okay.
Ma'am, this is Lama half a
Yes, Lama, what happened?
Ma'am, just give me half a minute.
Map completed.
Completed. Renu ma'am, now you can erase the second one.
Renu ma'am will do, man. You do your work. Ma'am will do her.
Done ma'am.
Vivan, near, now it is closer. You just check it out. You can see it. It is little bit blur, not full, that you cannot see it.
Yes, ma'am. They have completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes ma'am, completed.
So now I'm going to tell you, just a minute, children. Now we will find the interest.
Ma'am, I have not done the question 3.
I will send you, do it later on.
Ma'am, so now I can do question 4.
Yes. Now the question 4 is, in this case, when find the simple interest, when the interest is given in the percentage. Find the simple, this is called simple interest and the interest.
Ma'am,
Yes, Ayansh, I will clear your doubt after this.
Ma'am, my mother.
simple interest. The both are same like interest.
Yes, yes.
Ma'am, you can do the ball little bit up.
Yes ma'am. Yes ma'am, now it is okay.
So when find the simple interest, when the interest is given in the percentage and we need to find it in the amount. So here the principle is, the borrowed loan is 9,000 and that loan is taken for the time period of 3 years and the rate of interest is rupees, 6% per annum. Per annum means for a year. Now you can see the changes. It is given in the percentage and you need to find out the interest in the amount, in the rupees. So how we will find out? There is one formula. SI is equals to P for principal into R is for rate into time, T is for time, divided by 100. This is the formula to calculate the interest in rupees. Because right now we have interest in percentage and we need to calculate it into the rupees. So this is the formula, principal into rate, which is this 6% into T. So why I am writing 100 here down in this formula? Because with the rate there is a percentage sign, right? So when you remove the percentage, you write the 100 as the denominator. When you learn the decimal, when you learn the percentage in next chapters, then you will come to know when you remove the percentage sign, you will write the 100. That is why it is in this formula. So now, how to put these numbers? I'll just,
Ma'am.
please write till here, children.
Ma'am, what is SI?
Is the interest or the simple interest. It is called be the simple interest or the interest.
Okay, ma'am.
So now we are going to calculate the interest in rupees because interest is given in the percentage. And the time is given that you have to pay this loan after 3 years at the 6% interest. Because I went in the bank, I told bank to give me rupees 9,000. Then bank told me, okay, repay the loan after 3 years at the 6% rate. Per annum means year, it's a yearly charges 6% and the percentage is always on 100. The 6%, when you take 100 rupees means you have to pay 6 rupees as a interest. So now we will calculate the amount of interest on 9,000 rupees will be what? So we use this formula P into R into T divided by 100. So now we put the values at the place of P 9,000 into 6. Only 6, not percentage sign. We have written 100 down. So only 6 will be written here. And the time is 3 years. So we write at the place of time 3 years. So please do till here. Then I will do the solution of this.
Done, ma'am.
Now I will erase this and do
Ma'am.
the calculations. Yes, my dear.
We have to make this
No,
box.
ma'am, no, ma'am, no, ma'am, no, ma'am. Wait.
Ma'am, we have to make this box.
No,
which you made.
no, this is just the explanation I make. So to
Ma'am,
define it
but
that this is the formula.
I have made the box.
It's okay.
It's okay. Ma'am,
Now the simple interest is equals to principal amount is 9,000 into
Ashvi, wait.
ma'am,
Ma'am, ask Ashvi.
Ashvi. Yes, my dear, tell me. Ma'am, I cannot hear her clearly. Ashvi, your voice is not clear.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I don't understand.
You understand this formula to calculate the interest?
No.
See, the formula of calculating the interest is, because right now we have interest in
Switch off your
percentage.
mic. Switch off your mic, Ashvi.
We have interest in percentage and we need to calculate the interest in amount in rupees. So the formula is P into R into T. When all these will be given to you, then only you will able to calculate the interest in rupees. So P into R into T divided by 100. So here the P is 9,000, R is 6, and the T is means time is 3 years divided by 100.
Ma'am,
Yes.
you can do the board up. I can't see up part. Yes, ma'am.
What is PA?
Where is written PA?
At the rate.
Where it is written PA, my dear?
Ma'am, in percentage, you have written
It's a, yeah,
6%.
per
Yes.
annum. It's yearly. For a year.
Per year. Okay.
You can write per year or you can write per annum also.
And 6% means?
Percentage 6%. Sometime the interest is in percentage also. Bank is not telling you that this amount you are going to pay after some time. They tell you that this is the percentage you have to pay. 6%, 7% on your this amount, on your principal amount. So now we are calculating what will be the amount, what will be the interest in rupees. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, why we have written 100 down?
We have removed the percentage sign.
Hello.
So when you remove the percentage sign, you just write only 6. So we write 100 down. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
So now we can cancel. See, there are two methods of doing this. Multiply 9,000 with 6, getting the answer, and multiply with the 3 and divided with the 100. But there is one shortcut method also. We can cancel two zeros of denominator with the numerator. This is possible. We can cancel the two zeros of the numerator with the two zeros of denominator. So now here is 1. So denominator is 1. So now we assume that only we have 90 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 3. Now please multiply this and tell me what will be the answer.
Ma'am, the answer will be 162000.
Just check how many zeros will come.
3.
3 zeros.
Yes, ma'am. 3
Just check. And interest will come in rupees now. Children, please multiply and tell me the answer. Twisha, do it again.
Ma'am, 1 6.
90 into 6 into 3.
Okay, I forgot to do in 3.
Yes.
90.
I was the 9. 7 3 7.
Ma'am, 1,600.
120.
Ma'am, 1,620.
Who is this? Which child is this?
Rudra
Rudra
Mangukia.
Very good. It's 1,620. You can do in this way. Multiply 9 into 6. 54 multiply into 3, 162, and add the 0 at the last.
Ma'am, Dhyan Dalal is not doing anything, I can see.
Dhyan, why?
1620.
Fine. Ayush Singhania, switch off your mic.
Yes, ma'am. 1 minute. Ma'am, but the principal was, I think, 9,000.
Principal was 9,000, but we cancel two zeros from this denominator. I told you, you can do in any of the method. Either multiply all the numbers and divide it with the 100, or you can cancel the two zeros with this numerator with the denominators, which you will learn in the fractions also. Yes.
We have to add 2 zeros because it was 9,000. So
See, Vibhan, I explained in the beginning. Either you multiply 9,000 with 6 with 3, then divided with the 100. This is the divide line, right?
yes.
Yes. So you can do in any of the method. You multiply all the three numbers and divide it with the 100. Then also the answer will be 1,620. Or if you want to cancel the zeros of the denominator, we can do this. When we cancel these two zeros with the denominator and the numerator, we get only 90. So now the denominator is 1 only, which is have no value. Yes. So now you only multiply these three. Clear? When you multiply these three, 9 into 6 is 54, into 3 is 162, and add the 0 of 90 at the back. So it will be rupees 1620. Yes, Lakshya, very good.
Ma'am,
Yes, my dear.
put the boats on the right side.
Now,
Ma'am,
just check.
yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am,
After doing, yes, my dear, tell your name first.
Riddhi.
Yes, Riddhi.
Ma'am, in this division, how step by step, can you please explain me because I'm not understanding this division.
Riddhi, you multiply all these three numbers.
Is I had multiplied it is
Ma'am, can we click which student?
1,620.
Ma'am, can we click which?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, can we click which?
ma'am,
Renu ma'am,
Yes, my dear.
can
ma'am,
we click which?
Which child is this?
Farzan.
No, Farzan, we are not going to play any quiz today.
okay. Ma'am, Riddhi.
Ma'am, Riddhi wants to say.
Ma'am,
Riddhi, you do one thing. You go with this method. 9,000 multiplied by 6, multiplied by 3 and divided with the 100. This is the divide line.
no, ma'am, I had done like this. I had multiplied 9,000
Yes.
multiplied by with 6 multiplied by 3 is equals to 1,620. Then
Yes.
I had
1,620 will not come then. Then two more extra zeros will come. This will be your answers. Yes or no, Riddhi?
okay.
Now you divide it with 100. This is the divide line.
Ma'am, I did it like this. I've put it in the chat box. I did it like this.
Okay.
The
So
answer-
now this is done.
Then, like we do division by step, I want that I'm not able to understand then how we will do the division.
See, you have multiplied. Which child is this, Riddhi?
Yeah,
Riddhi, you have done this 9,000 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 3.
yeah,
And you got, and then this line. Yes.
yeah,
Then you got the answer 1620 3 times 0.
yeah.
Then you divide with the 100. Divide this and tell me what will be your answer.
That only I'm not able to do.
You don't know how to do this division?
Yeah, from this method, how the 100 are only 3 digits, and in this,
My dear, we have to divide. See. How many times this 162? 1 will not come. 6 with 16 will not come. Then we take all the three numbers. 100. Ones are 100. Then we wrote down 62. Then we bring 0 down. This method, you know how to divide.
yeah,
So now divide this and tell me the answer.
no,
Riddhi.
yeah,
Now 106 is 600. Then again the 0 will come down. 2s are 200. Then now this 0 will come down. Is not divisible, so we write 0 here. This method of division, you know?
yeah.
Practice it a lot. You need practice for division also.
Okay.
Yes, my dear. Children, done till here?
Ma'am,
Yes.
yours is like 15.
Yes, Mikdad. Very good. The answer will be 1620. Okay. So we have done today how to calculate the interest when the percentage is given. Thank you, children.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. Bye.